What's up, guys? I experienced one breathtaking sunrise over San Miguel Bay. I'm back sharing here a short video of an early morning boat ride, a segment of the trip which started from the seaside village of Vito in the town of Siruma to the shoreline poblacion of Tinambac. Both towns are in the fringes of the rich fishing grounds of San Miguel Bay in the province of Camarines Sur in Bicol region of the Philippines. My brother Benny and I had to wake up early as the boat had to depart on or about 5 in the morning, but not later than 6. On our way to the shoreline, we passed by fighting cocks sounding off their familiar morning routine. Let me mimic if I can. For video purposes, I used the Sony Handycam fitted with a fisheye lens and a filter to ward off the sun's glare. Reviewing the video later, we found the effect was fantastic and awesome. Each time the sun is in focus in near close-up, the background changes and turns dark than the prevailing setting. It was similar to a video which at a glance will make an impression of the setting sun. It was a fun ride despite one of the lens got almost soaked by the sea waves that dampened the side of the narrow boat. How easily I was enchanted by the boat ride. I almost forgot that on that particular trip a storm was brewing and will breach the area the next day. That was why the waves were slightly bigger. At one instance, the protective shades on the right side of the boat behind us were drawn down to ward off the pelting rain showers. The passengers and the crew and operator were unmindful that there was no life-saving gear being provided. There was none available during the boat ride. I had to hope that the ride just ends safe and sound, and it did. By the way, there is no port or landing facility in both ends, embarkation and disembarkation of the trip. A wooden plank was used extended to the shore for the passengers to walk.